Ife Greenland, the largest island anywhere in the world, the capital city Ghana Bonuku. Actually, the reason why Donald Trump did so much interested he go over Greenland. Particular island, North American continent, but on Denmark, also some the 56,000 bife been at this particular island. 56,000 people are becoming at the island, but along the coast of the island, bife inside the main island because 80% of this island is covered by ice. Same way America see we go Alaska from Russia, we got the same way we see we go this Greenland from Denmark, but it Denmark equally less for the island. Denmark is part of EU, but in the EU take the Trump that more serious until focus we invade Venezuela or their president. Since that time, Anafa may pay well. And Trump has go is that that Denmark less for Greenland in peace or if he would by force, and then with America to capable of. The main reason Trump is way too much interested in this Greenland because of the high deposit of this rare earth minerals worth over $1.1 trillion so capable of he break China monopoly. I think we can actually maintain their war power and also have build more USA based on the island so that can we can attract Chinese Somalian pass from Asia to Europe, and also can we can attract Russian missiles. Trump said no one will Greenland now Russia or China will kill the island, and that is a very big threat to them. Because for now Greenland with their own prime minister, but just that Nafane use Kwegon Denmark Danish crew. But eventually NATO stop America from you with Greenland.